King pushes onward always, accepting the consequences and never looking back. Noct will take his rightful place, but only once he's ready.
どんな犠牲が出ようとも前に進み続けなければならない。今ノクトに必要なのはそれを考える時間だ。
Can and will, whether I like it or not, I've got a duty to fulfill as king.
続けるよ。俺が何言ったって続けなきゃなんねえんだろ、王様は。
We Amicitia are the king's sworn shields. Guard the king with our lives. That's the way it's always been.
アミシティア家は言ってみりゃ王の盾だ。盾として王を守れ。ガキの頃から教え込まれてんだ。
I've always wanted to go sailing like this. Out here, it's just us and the horizon. It's amazing. It's life-changing.
海だ。なんかこういう船で旅してみたかったんだよね。なんかすごいよね。神秘。
By the stars that light the heavens above, our world will be delivered from the perils of the dark.
闇を払い、星々の光を蘇らせ、世界をお守りくださる神々の道からがあるのです。
What do you mean? Why wouldn't you see me?
どうして？
Because my prayers have been answered. My calling fulfilled.
私はもうカンナギの使命を終えたから。
Wayward, though my son may indeed be, he has made me proud.
知っての通り、頼りない息子だが、最高の息子だ。
Y'all ain't never been out this way before, have you? Go on, have a look around. This'll make sure y'all don't get lost. 王子、この辺りは初めてだよね。地図あげるから、いろいろ見ておいで。